Structural abnormalities. Rearrangements in the chromosome because of the breakage and reunion of the fragments of the chromosomes. There are two types of the structural abnormalities. One is called as balanced. If there is no loss of the genetic material, then it is called as balanced, and if due to the structural imbalance genetic material is lost, it is called as unbalanced. There are different types of the structural abnormalities. Most common types, they are translocation, deletion, duplication, inversion, ring chromosome. All these are the types of the structural abnormalities. Just to understand the types of structural abnormalities, we consider here that this is a chromosome that has genes A, B, C, D, E and F. If there is a duplication in the chromosome, then it will be A, B, C, D and D. So this part of the chromosome has been duplicated. While in case of inversion, we will see that it is A, B and there is a inversion. Instead of D, here is E, and instead of E, here is D. So this part of the chromosome has been inversed. Such a phenomena is called as inversion. While in case of deletion, we will see that A, B, and there is a deletion of fragment D. C, here is no fragment C. So B and C, they are joined with each other, and there is a deletion of C. In case of insertion, we can see that the fragment A, B, C, D, and there is a addition of another fragment which was actually not present in the original chromosome. So if a fragment has been inserted, then this phenomena is called as insertion. While in case of translocation, we can see the fragments, they can be written as A, B, C, D, E and F in one chromosome, while in case of second chromosome, they are L, M, N, O, P and Q. When there is translocation, then the fragments, they change with each other. So how they will change the fragments A, B and O, P, Q? They will join with each other. If we see on the original chromosome, they will join in such a way. A, B, here we can see A, B, C, then O, P and Q. Same will be the on other chromosome where L, M, N and the fragments are joined with D, E and F. If the chromosome, they change their fragments between non-homologous chromosome, then it is called as translocation. Types of the structural abnormalities, here we can see that the deletion, duplication, inversion and translocation. In case of deletion, this fragment of the chromosome has been deleted. In case of duplication, this fragment has been duplicated. This was the fragment, and this fragment appears as a second time. So this process is called as duplication. While in case of inversion, the fragments, they change from one chromosome to another chromosome. That is called as inversion. While in case of translocation, they change the fragment from one chromosome to another chromosome. This fragment was actually the part of this chromosome. It broken from here and joined with this chromosome at this location. So it will appear as this is the original chromosome and green color is from the second chromosome. The second type of the translocation would be that the part of chromosome, a larger part of chromosome, will join to the second chromosome. It will appear and it will become a new chromosome. One of the part will be from one of the chromosome, while the second part will be from the second chromosome. So these are all types of structural abnormalities. Structural abnormalities may be translocation, deletion, duplication, inversion. So these are all types of the structural abnormalities.